Hey guys, it's Tim with Tim's Tech, and in this video we're going to clean another HP laptop. The HP G60 laptop, and we're going to clean this thing up. What I'll need: paper towel so I can get the sticker residue and all that. I got 50% isopropyl alcohol to get the sticker residue. It works really well. Got Windex to clean the outside and the screen, and the towel for the Windex. Let's get started here. So first I'm going to clean the outside. I'm going to clean the outside of it. I like to spray my towel because I like to be safe that way with electronic stuff. That's the side, clean the top of it here. And this thing's been sitting for 6 years, so it's really dusty and dirty. Much better. Wait for it to dry a little bit. But that's much better. If you can see, it's all kinds of sticker residue there. I don't know how good it's picking up, but it's really dirty. Kinds of smudges. Pull you off in. Get a closer look. All kinds of smudges there, nastiness. If you get a second-hand laptop, I recommend you do a deep clean on it. Let's clean it up. Screen's dirty. This one has the glossy screen, which I don't care for the glossy screens, but that's what this one got. I'm going to clean the keyboard. Just give light cleaning so I can get a lot of this stuff off. Sticker stuff I'll get with the isopropyl alcohol. Just flip my towel over, put some more Windex on it. Should be good. Clean up the keyboard. Before it was just sitting, it did get good use out of it. And now while I have the Windex out, I'll clean the screen up. Some stuff up here. You can see that looks like more sticker residue, so or it's just scratched up. Yeah, it looks like sticker residue, so but right now I'm cleaning up the screen a little bit. Sometimes it takes a little bit to clean the whole thing. It's looking a little better there. Go to the sticker residue here. Get a couple pieces of paper towel here. For stuff like this, it depends on what I feel like, but sometimes I'll put the alcohol right on it. This time I'll go on the paper towel. A little more on. A little more for insurance. See, it's really wet. I have to let it soak in. I'm just gonna leave it there. Don't worry, that's the wet. That's nothing nasty. It's the wetness of the alcohol. I let it sit there for a few minutes. Check on it here. It's coming off slowly. So let it sit for a little while longer and come back when that's done. Alright guys, as you can see, the sticker, where the stickers were, it looks way better. There's a little bit extra, a little bit of stray stuff, but we'll get that. Next I'm doing a soak on the sticker stuff up here at the top. It's like the sticker residue is so dried out. Gotta get it moist again to get it off. And we'll be back when this part's finished. And we'll show you the finished product. Alright guys, we're finished with the cleanup. As you can see, turn the light on here. Let's turn our light on so we can see it a little better. You can see a little better up here, a little bit of stuff, but that's okay. The screen looks a little better. Some caked on stuff, that scratches, stuff like that, that's okay. Keyboard looks better. Where those stickers were is gone. Mouse pad looks a lot better. Those are just scratches in the paint. As you can see, this looks better out here. Looks way better than what it did. Alright guys, a couple announcements here. I'm in the process of creating just a strict gaming channel. And I'll put a link up when it's completed, when I'm done setting it up. And tune in for more computer videos on this laptop and others. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and have a good one.